Napkin, the heavenly circuit, Berenice's hair, tent pole of Eden, the tent's drapery, symbolic glory of the earth and air, the Father and his angelic hierarchy that made the magnitude and glory there stood in the circuit of a needle's eye. Some found a different pole, and where it stood, a pattern on a napkin dipped in blood. The 19th century and after, though the great song return no more, there's keen delight in what we have. The rattle of pebbles on the shore under the receding wave. Free movements. Shakespearean fish swam the sea far away from land. Romantic fish swam in nets coming to the hand. What are all those fish that lie gasping on the strand?